Hey everyone, and welcome to this episode of Hikes You Can Do. I'm Nick, and today we are at the Temescal Gateway Park in the Pacific Palisades, just off of Sunset Boulevard. We're going to be doing a 4 to 5 mile loop hike on the Temescal Canyon Trail and the Temescal Ridge Trail. This is a very popular hike in the Los Angeles area for many reasons. One, it is very close to the metropolitan area and access to everybody. It has wonderful lush wilderness around you, a creek. We're going to see a wonderful waterfall, rock formations, and some of the best ocean views you can get on any hike around here. So bring lots of water, tie up your boots, let's go hike. So from the sign, it's about 0.4 miles to the waterfall. We're getting close, let's go check it out. So here we are at the wonderful Temescal Canyon waterfall. It's about a mile in from the trailhead here and well worth the hike up the hill. As you can see, the waterfall is roaring pretty good. It's been raining the past couple weeks, and this is a great time to actually come on this hike because you get to see it when it's at its best. So there you have it, the Temescal Canyon waterfall. So if you want to go on a little side journey from the bridge, if you climb up towards the river, you get your own private, bigger waterfall. Pretty cool. Let's keep going. So when you get to this point on the trail, Trailer Canyon Trail, you're gonna wanna take it up, and that's how we're gonna get to Skull Rock. So let's go check it out. So as you can see, Skull Rock is in the distance. I'm pointing at Skull Rock. You can see it over there, the profile, similar to my profile here. It's gonna be really cool. Let's go check out Skull Rock. Skull Rock. Awesome. So behind me here you can see the wonderful ocean views I was talking about earlier. I mean, look at how beautiful that is. It's kind of hazy right now, so I know the camera probably can't give it justice, but boy, is that pretty. The west side, Santa Monica Bay. We're about a mile away from the end of this hike, so let's keep going. All right, so there you have it, the end of the Temescal Canyon Ridge Trail. Woo! It was all downhill from the top there, but what an awesome hike. Man, I love this one. The Temescal Canyon Loop is one of LA's most popular hikes. This is why. Beautiful waterfalls, lush green vegetation, and awesome ocean views. I'm Nick with Hikes You Can Do, and I'll see you on the next one.